Hello, my lovely Woolsies. Thanks for jumping on today. I just wanted to show you some of the beautiful things that are coming in my very first online drop. I've now been stocking items in Canberra for just over a year, and I'm very excited to be now putting some items online. For those of you who've been following from afar, you'll be able to purchase from me and get a little bit of Joolsy Woolsy love in the post. These beautiful things are all created with love by hand. And this particular collection was created in my week in Wellington. I've just spent the most wonderful week in Wellington learning from so many incredible stitching teachers, because my aim is I want to be able to add embroidery to my knits. And so when you purchase from this little collection, your beautiful knits have been created in Wellington, and they've flown all the way back with me in my case. So they're well travelled, much loved. There's lots of little whimsical knits this time. My little teddies with the scarves, and a couple of Matchbox mice, which I know you love. There's also some pocket monsters, and when you get those, they come with the lovely card telling you, oh, there we go, what you can use them for. There's also some beautiful little pocket hearts, and they also come with a little card. Pocket pal, keep it in your pocket. All of my little knits are generally pocket size. I thought I might show you my little, this is my Stella mouse. She's not in the collection. This is my one that I keep in my pocket, named Stella after my beautiful mum, who's no longer with us. So yeah, they're you can see from my hand that they're all quite small, pocket size little knits. And of course today we're filming on Nanny's blanket. And I was telling people this week about my lovely Nan, who is no longer with us, and she made me this blanket. And when I think of my Nan and when I want to be close to her, I cuddle up in this blanket, because obviously when you make something by hand, your hands are all over it. So I feel close to my Nan, knowing that her beautiful hands made this blanket. And so know when you purchase from me, your little goods have been made by my loving hands with care. And I hope that they will bring much love to your hands as well. Thanks everybody. Until the next one, stay safe. Bye.